In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CSS to the head section of an email template in HubSpot. Let's get started by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. Click through to the official site and sign into your account. You'll need access to the Design Manager, so make sure you're using a user with the right permissions. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and hover to reveal the navigation. Find the Content area and open the Design Manager. This is where HubSpot stores themes, templates, and modules, and it's the right place to add CSS that HubSpot will compile into your email's head section. Inside the Design Manager, use the search bar at the top and type Header. You're looking for the header module that your email templates reference. The header module often controls structural elements and is a reliable place to centralize CSS for emails, since styles defined here are included and processed for email delivery. Click the header module to open it. Before making any changes, create a safe working copy by cloning the module. Cloning ensures you won't accidentally affect other templates that might rely on the original. Give the clone a clear descriptive name so your team knows it contains the updated email styles. With the cloned module open, switch to the module.css file. This is where you'll paste your CSS. Keep email client compatibility in mind. Use simple, well-supported properties, avoid complex selectors and unsupported features, and prefer units and patterns known to render consistently in clients like Outlook, Gmail, and Apple Mail. Scope your rules to prevent conflicts by prefixing class names or targeting specific email sections. Avoid external imports. Embed all the necessary CSS directly here so HubSpot can inline or place it properly during send. If you have a reset or base styles, place them at the top, then add component rules below to stay organized. Save frequently and watch for any syntax warnings. When you're ready, click. Publish changes in the top right. Publishing compiles and makes your CSS available to any templates referencing this module. From here, your email templates that use this header will include the updated styles in the head during compile and send, which helps maintain cleaner markup and better deliverability. A quick tip before you wrap up. Send yourself a test email and preview it across major clients and devices. Email CSS support varies widely, so validating spacing, fonts, and colors in real inboxes helps catch surprises early. And that's it. You've added CSS to the head section of an email template in HubSpot using the Design Manager safely and effectively.